Hey, you guys! Yeah, it's been a freaking while. Joseph here. Don't know if I ever said that. But that's me. Freaking cold, so I'm not going to be filming much. But I'm going to attempt to fix the garage door, put the shocks on, and maybe do some of the spark plugs on the truck. But it's pretty gnarly out, it's pretty cold, and it's snowing, so we'll see. Alright, as you can see, there's more fucking snow. And you can see the garage door is el fuckoed. And I need help because it's wedged on this, and if you pull on the top or the bottom, it just pivots right there. And you can see here's the rail. It's supposed to be screwed into the wall, but it's not. So I gotta fix that. Uncle should be here soon. Gonna do some shoveling and then get to work. Yeah, I'm wearing two different gloves because I can't find my other insulated or any of my other mechanics gloves. And this is better than nothing. So we're gonna get going, see what we can get done, post something tonight. I have some other stuff on the phone and on the computer, I think, ready to go. So we'll see. Getting some work done. All right, couple things here. Look at all that nasty oil. And the tip of the spark plug. Definitely need to get my valve guide seals, I think it is, replaced on the heads. And something I've never had happen before. The shock twisted itself apart while trying to impact off the top nut. And you can see the bottom there. It just sort of spins and spins and spins. This would have been like a 5-minute job, but no. Okay, more like 20 because I got to take the tire off and hammer out the bottom one, but whatever. Now I got to call my uncle back over here. He already left because I told him I wouldn't need his help. Ugh. I'm a butthead. Oh well. Almost done. And that one spark plug came out really easy, surprisingly, compared to all my other vehicles. So, while I wait for him, I'm going to go ahead and work on those. So that'll be awesome. Well, I did it. Well, some of it. Got cold, had a few problems, had to wait for somebody to come over. Got the front shocks done. I got all the passenger side spark plugs done and cylinder 1 on driver's side. Driver's side is a little harder, there's a lot more crap in the way. And I just started getting really cold and it's about time for me to go to sleep. It is 10:30 in the morning. Work third shift now, so that's about when I go to sleep. So I'm gonna set these up on the computer to convert and then put into whatever, it doesn't matter what I put it into because it just means I'm going to edit this video and upload it for y'all. So you got another video. So peace out, good night, and I'll see you later.